Hello everybody, this is Mehdi Houghton. I will be teaching you how to do week 4 of the Coursera Course 3 Google IT Support. So we're going to be in Operating Systems and You. This is the course number 3 and we will be going over week 4. So on week 4 you want to scroll all the way down. After going through these and especially the practice quizzes and passing them, you will have to do these graded external tool projects. Okay, we will be doing the first one in this video. So let's get started. Again, I will be making this video as quick as possible. Okay, you want to click Start Lab. Okay. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Remote Desktop. Right here. Okay. So here you will be copying this IP address, pasting it, and you will be fixing your username. So fix it to student. Click connect. And you want to copy your password. It will be connecting and then ask you for a password. Click OK. Click yes. And you're in. You could just close that for, not close it, minimize it for now as you read the steps. Moving over to what you have to do. You can get through all of that because this is for different computers. Okay. So here, an overview of disk partitions on Windows. Okay, so we're going to be partitioning a disk using Control Panel. Okay, so what you want to start, you want to click on the Start button and select Control Panel. That's going to be the first thing we do. You can just exit out of this, click the Start, this top left, bottom left Windows, click it, and then go to Control Panel, right here. Okay, let's see what else it's told us to do. Once you click it, navigate to System and Security, then Administrative Tools. Okay, System and Security is right here. Go to Administrative Tools. Now read the further steps. Double click on Computer Management. Let's do that. Computer Management, double click. Leave it there. On the left panel, under Storage, select Disk Management. Under Storage, select Disk Management. Okay, we're here. You'll notice that your system has access to 2 disks, one of which contains unallocated space and is labeled offline. You'll create partitions on this disk. To enable partitioning, the disk will first need to be mounted on the system. Right-click on the left part of the disk and select Online. Okay. So, like I said, you have access to 2 disks right here. One is online, one is offline. And it wants you to click somewhere on it To enable partition, the disk will first need to be mounted on the system. Right-click on the left part of the disk. Right-click on the left part of the disk. Click Online. Got it? Okay, so now we're going to divide this disk. Since the space is already allocated to the disk, you'll need to first shrink it before a new partition can be created. Right-click on the disk and select Shrink Volume. Okay, so this one. Okay, let's make sure we're doing that properly. The disk will be mounted and automatically assigned to a letter. For 1 second. Okay, so it looks like we missed a step. Okay, so we selected it online, like we see in this picture. The disk will be mounted and automatically assigned to the letter D. You'll further divide this disk into 2 partitions. Okay. Since the space is already allocated to the disk D, you'll need to first shrink it before a new partition can be created. Right-click on the disk and select Shrink Volume. Okay. Looks like it's this one. Right-click. There we go. Okay. So it's talking about this one, the D. You want to focus on this one, not here, because you will not get it. So here, right-click, Shrink Volume. Okay. Wait for that to go. And just click. Let's make sure we get the right steps. The disk will be shrunk, and the additional 26 will be okay. Notice this. So here, just click Shrink. So this number should go down. Okay, so it did not work. Let's click Shrink again. So here it does not actually give you the steps. Okay, my bad. The steps are here. Okay. So when you shrink it, you have to put in this specific amount. Got it. So you want to paste that. Okay, that is, you have to, so 2480. So this is the number that you have to put in. Now it should work. Okay, good, it worked. 20 gigabytes unallocated. Okay. Okay, now on this new one, you want to add a new simple volume. On this unallocated 20 gigabytes, you want to click New Simple Volume. Follow the steps next. Here you want to take a pause and look at what it tells you to do. Click Next. And what is the amount? Okay, so I guess it's just any amount. Next. Click Next again. Next and finish. So there you just want to go through it all. You don't have to read each one because they're straightforward. Just click Next. The disk will be carried out and the resultant disk configuration will be updated. Here you want to check your progress, and that's good, we got it. Okay, so now you want to be formatting a partition. Okay. To format the partition E to a different file format, right click on it and select format. Okay, so you want to go to E, which is this one, right click and hit format. So let's look back for the steps that it gives you. Select FAT32, then click OK. Okay, there we go. Okay, looks like ours went through. Yeah, click OK there. And that seems like about it. Check your progress. That was pretty simple. And that is the end of that lab. I hope that helped. Thank you very much.